Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 22nd of November 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, the market is a bit slow. You know that I have already talked about this thing in my previous analysis, and now we are going to talk about the four pairs that hit as per our signal report that clearly breaks our entries. So first of all, Euro USD. So Euro USD was with a bullish expectation from my side from 110690 and 110848 was the target price. And if you look at the chart on Euro USD, then you can find that the market hit the target price, and after that it has dropped. So it is not traded at my end. So overall, if you have traded this one, then you must be in a very good profit on that particular pair. Now let's talk about the trades that are triggered at our end. That's the Great Britain Pound USD. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 129126 and 127890 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on Great Britain Pound USD today. We have seen some good volatility on this pair even within the slow market. So it has dropped from the particular level. From the top red boundaries, you can see even the scalper has pointed us with a red arrow signal to sell this pair. And look, the market has went down. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next, going to talk about the USDCHF that is almost going to hit the target price. So USDCHF with a bullish expectation from 099403 and 099808 is the target price. So guys, overall the price was also so much high. Even I was preparing the signals in the morning, but still the daily chart was telling me that today the market can get the further bounce, and we were still far from the resistance. So that's why I headed towards the giving the bullish signal, and there were so many strong chances for USDCHF to grow, and that's why we have seen the result that the market has certainly gone up. And I congratulate all those traders. If you have taken the buy positions today on that particular pair, then you must be in a very good profits. At last and at next, we are going to talk about the EURJPY, which is the second last pair of my signals report. So EURJPY has shown us some volatility, and I have given the bearish signal for EURJPY from 120142 and 119,856 was the target price. Okay guys, so first of all, you can see we have expected a lot of volatility. Suddenly it went up, but later on here we have a break up from the price. The market was going down from after breaking that the entry level that I have provided in my report, and after staying for a few hours, the market finally hits the target price with no problem. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken sell positions today on EURJPY. They must be in a very good profits. Okay guys, now I'm going to talk about for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. The lower red boundary is for taking buy positions. The upper red boundary is for taking sell positions. Now look at here. What happened today on EURJPY today? It has entered into the top red boundary. Then the scalper has pointed the sell arrow, and then the market get a drop. And even if you look at here, the market has went up from that level. The scalper has pointed you with a buy signal, and the market was making the recovery from the oversold level. So guys, there is a little bit guidance to use this trading system. The guidance is about this, that you need to watch the market clearly. So first of all, the basic rule for using this trading system is not to use any lower time frames like M1, M5, M15 and M30. The trading strategy starts from 1 hour, and you can use this trading system up to 1 month. That's a very good trading system. If you use it on the higher time frames, then you can get more reliable results, and if you use it on the smaller time frames, then you will be on a very tougher side. Sometimes you will win, sometimes you will lose. So to be safe and to be be one of the good trader, then you need to stuck with the higher time frames. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report. This signals report is based on a trick that I teach for $700, and I take the subscriber on Skype for 3 days, and after 3 days training he will be able to produce his own signals on any pair. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.